There's a chair in your bedroom. You haven't seen the seat in weeks. A pile on the desk. One on the counter. One creeping up the stairs. You're not messy. You're not lazy. Those piles have a name. People call them doom piles. It's an acronym. Didn't organize. Only moved. Watch each letter of doom fill in. And here's what stings. A doom pile isn't mess. It's a stack of decisions you never made. Every layer is one unmade decision. Every object in it is a tiny question. Keep it, toss it, or deal with it later. Piling presses snooze on all of them at once. 3 questions branch off the envelope. There's a reason the pile keeps winning. Start with memory. In 2005, Rhonda Martinussen's team pooled dozens of studies and found working memory tends to run weaker in ADHD. Psychologist Russell Barkley treats that gap as central, not a side effect. Working memory is the brain's small notepad. It holds only what's in front of you. The notepad only holds a few lines. Slide a bill into a drawer, and to that notepad the bill is gone. You know it exists. Your memory just won't hold it out of sight. The bill fades the moment the drawer shuts. You'll hear people call this losing object-permanence. That's a myth. Object-permanence is something babies master, and you never lost it. In 2016, psychologists Sam Gilbert and Gilbert Risko named the real move cognitive offloading. When memory is shaky, you push it into the world. Every stack is a note to yourself you were afraid to lose. The pile is your memory, turned inside out. But every deferred question bills you again tomorrow. Researchers still argue how big that toll gets. The shape, though, is familiar. More open choices, a heavier reach to decide. So, how do you make a choice your brain keeps dodging? An emperor left a note. Marcus Aurelius, in his private journal, Meditations, Book 6, he imagined a man asked to spell a name. Antoninus. You don't shout the whole word in a panic. You go, letter by letter, calmly, in order, until the name is done. Marcus wrote, "Every duty has its complement of definite numbers. Bring what you propose to do, methodically, to completion. The pile is the whole name, shout it at once. The cure is one letter. One object. One question. One gold letter stands calm and alone. So don't clean the pile. Interrogate it. 3 moves. 1. Lift a single object. Just one. Ask Marcus's question. What is this, and what does it actually need? The magnifying glass hovers over one object. 2. Give it one of 3 homes. Keep, toss, do. No 4th pile. Keep, toss, do, and the crossed-out pile. 3. Set 10 minutes. When the timer ends, you stop. Even mid-stack. 1 letter today beats the whole name, never. The timer reads 10 minutes, then stop. The pile was never mess. It was a snooze stack of choices, dumped where your eyes could hold them. Tonight, walk past that chair. Lift one thing. Ask it one question. You don't have to clear the pile. You just have to make one decision it's been holding for you. Maybe that's the truth nobody says. Your doom pile isn't procrastination. It's the most honest to-do list you own. Chaos, Stoic. Chaos to clarity.